Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat, mga kabarkay na magpapasyal na naman ako. Nandarito na naman ako sa isa na namang National Trust. Kasi along the way to pauwi ng Manchester, kaya dinaanan ko na lang, imbis na sa motorway tayo magpahinga sa service, dito na lang ako nagpahinga. Ayan, kasi para ma-explore din natin tong 1800s na bahay, no? Ayan, kasi ma-amaze ka na nasa gitna ito ng kawalan, mga kaberks, itong bahay na to. Sa gitna ng kakahuyan at medyo bundukin. House built in 18.
There was another door. Yeah. Actually, yes, there was another door. That's the other thing, major aspect, and damp consideration as well. The original part that was in here from what I know. And the medallions on the wall, that one is for we do have it lit, but with this condition problem on the floor, which we have noticed, or one of the members of staff noticed, certain timbers were a level of curvature in them, and so investigated, took the oak boards up to really.
Yes. That it wasn't going to, just be running, through the.
It's not going to fall there.
No, but the water,
What we turned into a nursery but never was.
in residence, that door would have been bolted across. Yeah, no, it wouldn't have been, no.
You've noticed when it arrived here, we couldn't get it into the room. It was not possible. On it and this. Do you mind your head, sir, when you go? Yeah. Go through. Go through. I'd like to wear a hat.
So yun nga, mga kabers, pag natapos na natin makita ang loob ng bahay nitong 1800s na bahay, kaya nandito na lang muna tayo, ikot-ikot muna tayo sa kakahuyan. Tingnan natin kung ano meron dito, kasi itong mga kahoy daw na to nung 1890, bago daw itinayo itong bahay na to, nandito na itong mga kakahuyan hanggang sa ngayon. Grabe, no? Ano ba yung mga nandito? Wala naman pala tayong makita dito, mga kabers, kundi kakahuyan lang talaga. Ang nakakamiss lang dahil itong bahay nga na to malayo talaga sa kabihasnan or sa main road, mga kabers. Dito talaga siya sa gitna ng bundok. Bago ka makarating dito, malayo yung parking. Sasakay ka pa ng shuttle bus para lang makita itong National Trust House na to. Tour na natin. Kaya yun nga, hindi na nga ako nagtuloy-tuloy. Malawak itong kakahuyan, kaya bumalik na ako dito sa pauwi na tayo. So yun ang at least importante bago tayo umuwi, may daanan tayo na National Trust na naman. So ganun na lang ating buhay dito, mga kaberks. Hindi na natin pahabain pa ating video ito. Lagi ko sinasabi, keep us all safe. God bless us all. Magandang buhay. Thank you for watching.